Hey guys, and welcome to another wedding week vlog. It is Friday, 6:29, one day out from the wedding. We just got to Livermore to the hotel, and this is where it's gonna get all crazy. Everything back there is wedding decor. I have a meeting with my wedding coordinator, then we have the rehearsal, then the rehearsal dinner, so I'm excited about that. I'm going to show you guys the whole process, and I'm also going to be vlogging tomorrow on my wedding day. My Mo and my friend are going to be vlogging different parts when I can't, but let's get today started. Okay, so we just got a hotel and I wanted to give you guys a hotel room tour. We got a suite because I wanted to have enough space for all of my bridesmaids, the flower girls, my mom, and my aunt to get ready. So let's start this hotel room tour. So here is the front door, and then right when you walk in, there's a little closet right here that we have some wedding stuff still. Then we have a full, like not like a full, but a good sized refrigerator, which is perfect. Then we have a little kitchen here, which is so cute. I mean, we have a dishwasher. I've never been in a hotel with a dishwasher. That's pretty cool. Then over here we have a little seating area, which is perfect because this will be one of the stations for us to get ready in tomorrow. Then this is the living space. Here is a pull-out sofa. These are my sister, my little cousin, and then there's a little coffee table. Here we have another station where somebody can get ready at. Our flowers that we still have to deflower for petals. A little shelf area, and we have a TV and our sign over there for our favors. When you come in this way, it's the bathroom, which is huge, and I love the lighting. And it's just really bright, and this is me. This is my outfit right now. It's just a jean jacket from Old Navy, a top from Nordstrom. These little palm tree shorts are from Toby. They're part of a set. And then we have a shower, which is a pretty good sized shower actually. I haven't even seen it yet, but that's perfect. So it also has access from the room, and this is like from the main living area. So we come into the bedroom, which we have all our bags in. So here is the room, and I love that it has a full size mirror because I can take pictures, which would be perfect. And then we have a little TV here and another closet. And then this is my sister's dress, my mom's dress, and my dad's tux. So that is everything for the hotel room tour. I will check in you guys later. I need to get ready, and then we are heading off soon to the venue to have that meeting with my wedding coordinator. But right now I really am super hungry, so I'm gonna see what I can get. And yeah, my shoes are these because I had to drive, and I cannot drive without tennis shoes. So I just got done getting ready. I just put on very light makeup since tomorrow I'm gonna be having a lot of makeup on. I still want to put something on just to cover up my trouble areas and look decent. I am not wearing mascara or eyeshadow because I just want to give my whole face a break. And I just put some dry shampoo in my hair because I don't want to wash it until tonight, which, you guys, dry shampoo, especially the dry bar one, is amazing. Like, my hair was so like nasty, and now it looks clean. And this is the dry shampoo that I use. It's just a dry bar one. It's a detox. Let's see if it will focus. It is seriously so good. It's my favorite. I love the smell of it. My hairbrush that has all my hair on it is also the dry bar one. It's the buttercup one, I think, and it is so good for detangling wet or dry hair. It's so good. So definitely recommend that for you guys. And yeah, so right now I'm probably going to change into my dress. I'm kind of debating on it because I have that wedding coordinator meeting at 2, and then I have the rehearsal at 3 because I had to be early, and then I don't have dinner until like 5:36, and my dress is kind of dressy. I don't know if I want to like do that full-on glam like look to my appointment, so I'm still deciding if I'm just gonna wear this, change the shoes obviously, and then change for dinner. So I guess we will see together. This is the only full-length mirror, but it is covered. I have my dress on. I'll show you guys later. These are my shoes, and there's my camera strap. And we are off to the wedding coordinator meeting. I had to change because just in case I don't have time to come back to the hotel, and then after that we are doing the rehearsal. We're here at the hotel, and we are with the bridesmaids, and all our people. banquet tomorrow. How about you guys?
Excited.
Yay! Jesse?
Excited.
What's my speech? Your speech. I know.